Are you bored of playing the same tracks on Garfield Kart the whole time? Do you want to change in gameplay? Do you want to become a part of a big community that specializes in making Garfield Kart mods? Well, consider yourself lucky. Hi, JaNKeeeZ here with the best thing that you're ever going to witness with both of your eyes. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the all brand new Garfield Kart mod loader. The first and the best Garfield Kart modding software. First, let's talk about the history and development of the Garfield Kart mod loader by the creators, Scooter Computer's own words. Aight. Well, the mod loader came out of a project I did last summer to add multiplayer back to the game. Someone bought me Garfield Kart and I played it for a bit, you know. Well, later I found out that there was a mobile version, so of course I had to get that. The mobile version had multiplayer, which got me thinking, why didn't the PC version have it? Very cursory digging reveals the game binary is called Garfield Kart No Multi. So, I was extra curious. It turned out the menus were disabled, so I released a patch to the public that re-enabled that. Eventually, I think Microids caught on and released the multiplayer beta. JKMP, as it was known, went dormant for a while. Then after, in my free time, I was still messing around with the game's code. Around November, I got involved with the speedrun community, which really got me back into Garfield Kart. I even managed to build a full Unity project for the game, mapping out the checkpoints in the maps for them to be used. One day, I thought about what it might take to add a music changer to the game. Almost immediately, I thought, well, but I also want multiplayer too. And so, I got the idea to work on a mod loader to have both of these features at once. 48 hours of feverish coding later, and I had a functional prototype. That was really cool. I think if it took much longer, I may have begun to think it just wasn't possible. The very first mod I ever made wasn't the music changer though, it was a simple test mod to give you items on button presses. The code for that lives on in the test mod reference source code most modders start with. And so the modding renaissance began. Sometime later, Non-Parallel made a FreeCam mod. We had a lot of discussions about the game's internals, and I decided to invite him to join the development team. I'm not sure where exactly the ID came from, maybe Honk suplexed, but we decided to tackle custom maps. I spent quite a while researching and testing and settled in for a code marathon that eventually produced the ability to load custom map files and play them. The feature just made it to the public and the latest public release of Garfield Kart mod loader, and maps have already been made and are being speedrun. It's kinda cool to see all this work blossom out into a community of modders and players. Now, to install Garfield Kart mod loaders, pretty simple. You need to go to the website of the Garfield Kart mod loader. Once you go there, you're going to need to install the mod loader by clicking on the link in their website. Then you'll see a zip file being downloaded. Once the zip file is downloading, go to steam/steamapp/comment/Garfield Kart and take all of your files in the zip and put it in the Garfield Kart folder. Make sure to replace the files and not delete them. Finally, after you do all of that, you're going to need to make two files. One called maps and one called mods. Now, to install the mods, you're going to have to go to their Discord server, and you're going to find some pretty cool mods that you can play. The first mod that we are going to check out is Garfield Kart Plus. The mod gives a lot of new features in Garfield Kart, hence the plus on the title of the mod. SP Street, I'm sorry if I butchered your name, has said that his mod is one of the first gameplay mods for Garfield Kart, and one of the biggest mods he worked for. Here's the video that I've created that explained poorly on how the mod works. Hello, I've installed the mod on my Garfield Kart mod loader, and now I'm going to play Garfield Kart Plus. I'm going to go at 100cc, I'm gonna keep everything normal. And I'm gonna play on my favorite Garfield map, Sneak a Peek. Now, this is how the mod works. There's hat power and there's kart power. They're like multipliers, you know? So, as an example, I'm gonna select John, and I'm gonna select, you know, I'm just gonna select some random stuff. And my hat power is 2.4, and my kart's power is 3.2. Now, I think this makes your kart goes faster, or gives you like this multiplier which every time you use it makes you go faster. Now, we're gonna play some Garfield Kart. Okay. Let's go. Oh no, Normal. I can see Normal wearing a king's hat. He's no longer gonna be the king. Okay, so on the bottom left, there's a hat boost and a kart boost. Now, I'm gonna use the hat boost, which gives you, gives you a boost. That's it. Oh, whoops. Which gives you a boost. Now, we're just gonna wait till we can get the kart boost. Oh no. I'm really bad at the game. My skills have really decreased because I haven't played a lot of Garfield Kart. Now, as you can see here, every time you drift, you get the hat boost. But for the kart boost, you need to keep going. Okay, we got our kart boost ready. We're just gonna use it right now. Let me just do that. Oh, and I failed. Oh, whoops. Okay, time to use it. Oh, okay. Oh no, I see Normal here. Hello, Normal. No one likes you, Normal. Come here. Piece of crap. Did I push him? No, he's still alive. I'm gonna get you, Normal. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Ooh, got him. No! There are even maps. Yes, maps. At the moment, you can only play 2 maps in Garfield Kart. 2 custom maps, which are Rainbow Road from Mario Kart 64 and Koopa Troopa Beach from Mario Kart 64. But in the near future, we might get some more maps. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to be a part of the Garfield Kart mod loader community, make sure to check out their Discord server in the comments or the link in the description below. Please subscribe and like this video to support my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.